is Aniruddha, Victor Uniform 3, Foxtrot Mike Lima. Today I'm outdoors in a field and I plan to put up an inverted V antenna to get onto the 40-meter band. I love this antenna. It's a very simple antenna to put up. It's a very simple antenna to tune. Uh, for the center support, I use a tripod which is approximately 14 feet high. I also use a PVC pipe which gets attached to the top end of the tripod. This PVC pipe is a couple of feet and it provides isolation or insulation between the center point and the metallic tripod. I have a common mode current choke at the center point, and from there the two antenna elements go one on to each side. Another advantage of this antenna which I see is that if you want to install it in a field, you just require a single center support, and so it's very easy to carry this equipment onto the field, and you can easily set up this antenna. I had done modeling of this antenna in the mmana-gal software, and based on my previous experience, I have come to this conclusion that if you install this antenna on a leveled surface, if you put the center point at about 15 to 16 feet, if you have an apex angle of approximately 120 degrees, and if you properly cut the antenna element lengths for the frequency that you want to get onto, if you bring the ends of the elements closer to the ground, considering all this, you have a very good chance of getting the SWR close to 1 in the first shot itself. So this could be a very good starting point, and then you can fine tune all these parameters to get a very good SWR. So what I will do is I will set up the antenna and I will show what I've done with it. So please stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing it. It gives me great motivation to bring up such videos. So please stay tuned. So I've put up the antenna. As you can see, the center support is nothing but a tripod which is of the height of approximately 14 feet, and there is a PVC pipe that attaches to the top end of the tripod. Now this PVC pipe provides insulation between the feed point and the metal tripod. Also, it increases the height for few feet. At the center you can see a common mode current choke. The coaxial cable comes down here in the middle, and these are the two antenna elements, one going that way over there and the other coming this side. Now as you can see, the angle between the two antenna elements is approximately 120 degrees. So this is what I do to make sure that my antenna is perfectly tuned. First of all, I make sure that I'm installing it on a leveled surface. I make sure that the angle is around 120 degrees, and I also make sure that the center point is approximately 14 to 15 feet from the ground. The other steps that are involved is cutting the lengths or folding back the antenna elements to a suitable length. So this is about installing and tuning the inverted V antenna. Let's get onto the air. Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Call. This is Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima.
Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima. This is Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Golf. Good evening, Anirudh. I'm able to copy you 5 and 9. Quite clear copy. Nice signal. Good setup. Back to you, Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima. This is Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Call.
Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Call. This is Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima. Right now I have set up an inverted V antenna which is portable, and I'm in the valley of Mahabaleshwar right now, and transmitting from there. Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Call. This is Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima. Over.
Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima, Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Golf. Excellent setup, Anirudh. This is working quite well. And considering that you are saying that you are in the valley, I think this is really nice, doing a good job, and I'm able to copy you loud and clear 5 and 9. Back to you, Anirudh. Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima, Victor Uniform 2 Tango Golf Golf. VU3 FML, this is VU2 JRT, Japan, Rome, Tokyo.
Victor Uniform 2, Juliet Romeo Tokyo. This is Victor Uniform 3, Foxtrot Michael Lima. Your signal is 5-9 here. Signal is 5-9.
Yeah, VU3 FML, VU2 JRT, returning. So very pleasant. Good evening, my friend. Let me know the handle and QTH. I think you are from Pune, maybe. So back to you, VU3 FML, VU2 JRT. You are 5-9, over.
VU2 JRT, VU3 FML. My handle is Aniruddha. Victor Uniform 2, Juliet Romeo Tango. This is Victor Uniform 3, Foxtrot Michael Lima. Yes, you're 5-9 as well. May I know your QTH, please?
Roger. Yeah, I am Jagadish, Juliet Alpha Golf for India, Sierra Hotel Eco Jagadish. And the QTH is Surat, Sierra Uniform Romeo Alpha Tango.
QSL November. This is Victor Uniform number 3, Foxtrot Mike Lima.
How is my copy? I'm using micro-bit linear amplifier. Good evening to you, VU2 Foxtrot Mike Lima, VU2 Juliet Papa November.
Victor Uniform 2, Juliet Papa November, Victor Uniform 3, Foxtrot Mike Lima. Your signal report at my end is around 5657.